What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I'm still here in Five Below, and can you believe what I came across for only $5? They have an ultra light digital body scale. I think I'm gonna try one out. It has a 500-pound max. It's been years since we purchased a new scale, but I'm back here in the workout section, and they have so many new items. So if you guys are into working out, definitely come back here. I mean, they have push-up bars. I just found some 10-pound kettlebells that I'm going to be getting. They have the kettlebells. They have some 5-pound kettlebells, and they have a lot of other weights here. They have so much. They have really added like a lot of workout gloves, a lot of jump ropes, weighted jump ropes, thigh toners, just so many different things here. This is a power gripping ring. There's all the resistant tubes and bands. They have the gliding discs, the cross training workout pads. They even have a slimmer belt. Wow, you guys, I might get one of these. I have been working out lately and I'm really trying, you guys. I've been on like a every other day workout schedule. They added so many new and pretty yoga mats. Those are only $5. They even added exercise mats, and those look a lot bigger compared to the yoga mats. Sauna suits, slimmer belts. You guys, I am super impressed, and that's why I keep coming in here every single week. Okay, you guys, let's see what else might be new this week. If you guys watched my last video, we looked through the makeup, we looked through some new things in the new and now section. We were just all over the place. I'm basically going to continue just kind of being all over the place and just looking where I feel inspired to look. I think I want to get some of these today, you guys. These are some cute little pajamas. I probably should have got them last week. I don't know if they have my size. This is junior sized. Everything is junior sized. So I wonder, it looks like a large will be big enough for me, but I wonder if it will be, because again, this is junior sized, not women's sized. I also really liked the cherries. I thought the cherries were so cute. And they are going to be a little bit sheer, but I think they're just so cute. It's a little messy over here, you guys. I promise it wasn't me. Okay, that's a large. They have medium. Let's see what else. They have another medium. I think everyone is really loving the peach. Let's see if we can tidy these up a little bit. I want to say that I think they have some extra larges, but I don't know if they're going to have any extra large left in this style. I do see an extra large. And unfortunately, you guys asked if Five Below had any dressing rooms. They do not have dressing rooms, but if you ever need to return anything, just save your receipt and they'll let you get your money back. Or if, for example, it's a product they still carry and you don't have your receipt, just be sure to come on in and exchange it, kind of in a timely fashion. They also have this one over here with the heart. It's a cute pastel. So cute. I am seeing extra larges. I really don't know what size I should get, you guys, because, you know, I am a woman, not a teen, so I might go for the extra large. I don't know, maybe the large. It just really depends on how stretchy they are. Let's go to the front of the store and look at some of the sunglasses, because Birdy is really wanting to get some white clout goggles. So I'm going to go to the front of the store and see if they have any of those left. Ooh, distraction. Look, you guys, they have some new superhero stuff here. Marvel, Venom, plus the new socks, the Captain America socks. Okay. You guys, it was super quiet in here, but now the cozy warm heat is back on, and it's a little bit noisy, especially here in the front of the store. But they are so sweet, because you guys, they usually turn the music down for me, or they turn it off, and that really helps. But okay, you guys, let's look over here at some of the glasses. They have a lot of glasses, and all of them are only $5. Oh my gosh, these are definitely brand new. Those are new. Birdy might be really sad because the only clout goggles that they have are these with the checkers, and she wanted the ones with the solid white. Oh, here we go. Yes. These are the ones that Birdy wanted. Do you guys remember seeing Birdy wear these? She also has those. These are so cute. Okay, I'm gonna try not to knock them all down. Look at these. These are so cute. They have them in the blue, but they also have them with the pink, and then the lenses are a little bit different. Here are the ones that are sort of purpley blue down here. Those ones are so pretty. They also have those in a black, and then they have them up here in sort of a rose gold color. Those are so pretty. I'm gonna have to try a few of these on. So I got the glasses for Birdy, and now I want to head back here and see if they still have that really cute makeup bag that I was looking at last week. You guys know the one. Tell me if you remember the one. They have some super cute makeup bags over here by the brand new Active Jogger Capris. Okay, let's see if I can find it. Okay, so these are all just $5. I think this is the one back here. I think it's so cute. And it says, "Hey babe." I think it's so, so cute. I really like that. Do you guys remember these from last week? They have sizes like large, medium. Mostly seeing large and medium. I totally don't know what size I would wear. I'm probably gonna go for the gray. And hopefully they're not like ridiculously tight. Here's an extra large. Again, you guys, these are all junior sizes, so if you are a woman like me and you love Five Below and you shop here because of your kids, just know that these are all junior sizes, like teen sizes. I mean, this looks pretty big, actually.
Hi, Mama.
Hi, honey. Oh, they still have their little setup, you guys. And Gator made himself comfy. Make yourself comfy. Try out the ottoman, the little seat,
Oh, I love this.
and then you can put your feet up on that. Don't fall back. Take a load off. Get comfy at Five Below. So yeah, you guys, I'm looking at these. I'm thinking I'm gonna try these out. I mean, I have to be your guinea pig, right? I have to be your guinea pig and let you guys know how some of the clothes are. I mean, I've been so satisfied with the clothes here, but we've mostly purchased the t-shirts. They wash well, they dry well. I have no complaints at all. Now they also have these cute little matching like cutoff sweatshirts. The sleeves are cut off, and then there's a little hem down here. And again, you guys, I don't know. I think I'm just gonna do like extra large for everything, I guess. And to those of you that get angry and think that I'm not folding things, I usually turn my camera off, and if I make a mess, I do fold my things. I do care. I have worked retail, and I know that it takes a lot of time to fix these up. I'm so excited because I love this Brainy putty, and they moved it to a new aisle, and they have a bunch of putties and flarps and things over here on this aisle, as well as things for making slime. They even added some of the new Nickelodeon slimes. This is meant to be. And then they also have Piece of Cake. Birdy has this one at home and she loves it. But look, you guys, I am so excited because they added a lot of new ones. They added Luminite, which glows in the dark. They added Pinkify, which is a glittery neon. I have this one at home, you guys. It's Hyper Hue. When it's cold, it's like an orangish red, and when it's warm, it's like a really bright yellow, and I love it so much. And then we also have Pinkling over here, Pinkling, and Bluetooth, and it's saying the fluffiest putty ever. And those are $4 each, and I just really, really love them for like stress relief or boredom if you guys have a long ride, or if you're just like reading, you know, doing your homework and you're reading and you just want to have something in your hand. If you guys are into putty, you guys know what I mean. But look, you guys, they also have these for $5. These are called mix-ins, and they give you the little beads in the top. But they also have this one that's really pretty, and it has all of the super like iridescent confetti pieces, and those are brand new this week. I'm really excited about these though, you guys, because mine that I have at home have gotten a lot of use. Now, I don't see the pimple putty here anymore, but you guys, if your stores have the pimple putty, don't hesitate to get it, because the pimple putties are also really good, and they have the little white and black beads inside of them. But I wanted to come over here and just show you guys some of the new dolls and kits. Let's see what's new over here. This is locker decor on this end cap. Everything for your locker. Okay, so let's see what we have new over here. I think these little hamsters in a house might be new, and those are $5. And then I think some of these sets, these are the magical movers. Disney Princess Little Kingdom. Wow, that's only $5, and that is by Hasbro. This one too. Littlest Pet Shop. You get 2 pets and a bunch of accessories for just $4. I love these. The Harajuku sets, these are $5. They have Monster High. They have lots of full-size Monster High dolls. Those are just $5 a piece. And then tons of MLP, Trolls. We have some sets that I've shared with you guys before. Shining Armor, we have Twilight Sparkle, we have Rarity. Wow. Okay, let's go on a little hunt here for some new kits. If you guys are here on my channel real regular, then you guys will recognize what's new. If you guys are new and watching for the first time, welcome to my channel. You guys, I do focus a lot on what's new, so I do apologize if you guys are like, wait, go back, because I really do try to show you guys all the new things as they come out. I think this might be new. This is the Glitter and Go nail set. What does it give us? It gives us a base stand for what? What is the base stand? I'm confused. Let's flip it over. Okay. So what do? Oh, we stick our nails in the little holes. The glitter goes in there, and then we shake it. We shake the little stand or the little shaker, and that's how we get the glitter on our nails. That's kind of a fun idea. They have sparkling lip balm sets, the DIY glitter sugar scrub kits that's been here, also the face mask kits. My store is going to have a bunch of new things out, and they're also moving things around. This is a Lost Kitties Milkin' It journal activity set, and that is brand new. That's my first time seeing that. And you guys, they just have a lot going on in the store, so get ready for your store to probably have a new layout soon. You guys are always asking to see the books, and I think they have a lot of new books over here. Again, you guys, they have a lot of writing books, mindful journaling, write the poem, you're weird, pick me up. This says a journal, a creative journal for misfits, oddballs, and anyone else who's uniquely awesome. So if you guys like guided writing, or if you like quizzes or things like that, I think some of these writing books are nice. Like I got this one for Birdy, Burn After Writing. I was going to say Burn After Reading. No, Burn After Writing. Birdy has that one. Ooh, 2,000 questions about me. This one is brand new. 2,000 questions about me. This would be fun if you love quiz books. Let's read some of them. Are you an introvert or an extrovert? What does your typical breakfast look like? Do you say curse words? If so, which one do you use the most? What's your favorite season? What are you superstitious about? What's the heaviest thing you can lift? Have you ever been whistled at in public? What makes you lose sleep? That's a really fun book, especially if you want to pass some time or if you want to like do that with your friends. That would be a little fun book to do. This one is brand new. It says unicorns, mermaids, and more Mad Libs. I really, really love Mad Libs. I like doing Mad Libs with my kids. That one looks so cute. Okay, let's come around the other side and see what they have. Just for boys, the girls' body book, experiments, drawing. I think Birdy has this one. And when she originally found it, she got it at Justice and she paid like almost $20 for this book, but she really wanted it. Oh, look you guys, Blue Star. I love this company. Color Couture. I actually have this book at home. Blue Star has been sending me coloring books for years. They make amazing adult coloring books. This is the artist edition. They have, look you guys, this is out of place, but they really have a lot of nice art supplies in here. Art supplies, books, they have back to school supplies. Let's just come over here really quick and see if we have any new journals. There's always journals, undated planners. They have such cute things in here. Scented markers, cool erasers, tons of pencils and pens. This is the back to school aisle over here. They also have a lot of stickers over here. So hey you guys, that's it for me here in Five Below. If you guys enjoyed today's video, be sure to hit the thumbs up button. Let me know and also let YouTube know that you guys like this style of video and you like hanging out with me here on my channel. But alright you guys, again, you're free to leave a comment down below. I love hearing from you guys. And if you enjoyed shopping with me and you want to join my YouTube family, I'd love for you guys to go ahead and hit that little button subscribe. Well, alright you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Bye guys.